Hey everyone, a couple of days ago this hit on my radar and I just wanted to share it with you. As soon as you're interested in AlpineJS, for instance, in the form of Huva themes, this could be actually a lifesaver in the upcoming months. So it's an announcement for better DevTools for AlpineJS. But before I actually say something more about this announcement and the promise that comes with it, let me actually dive into the current situation, because there is already some kind of DevTools available for AlpineJS, but it's just a little bit clumsy. So in my personal Magento / Huva themes environment, I'm able to navigate here into the DevTools and then to AlpineJS. And as you can see right here, there's a listing of all kinds of Alpine components shipped with together with Huva themes. And as soon as I would navigate to another page, like a category page or a product page, then you can see the number of components shifting. And every component itself is composed out of different properties. So that's basically the data scope. However, as you can see right here, when it's a normal value like a string or a boolean or even an array, we can simply dive into its value. But as soon as it's a function, there's little to say more about it, and there's definitely no interaction with it. So the DevTools as of yet is nothing more than just a straight listing of all of these components and their properties, and that's basically it. And that's actually a situation that hopefully this new DevTools is going to solve. And actually already at the screenshot, you can see that there's something a little bit different. Instead of the functionality being only about components, you can see that there's actually a lot more. Pages, imports, modules, runtime configuration, hooks. And basically, simply because the ecosystem of Alpine is a lot more than just components, the DevTools should actually reflect that. And basically the screenshot that we see right here is promising exactly that basically the DevTools is much more than just dealing with components. Now, there's actually also a second reason why I'm intrigued with this specific announcement, and that's basically because of the reason behind the person behind this announcement. That's actually a well-known figure in the Magento community, Bartek Igielski, a former lead developer at Snowdog, a Polish agency focused upon Magento development. And second, he has also been working for Vue Storefront as a tech lead, but now currently he's a one-man army, as you can see right here on this page. And whatever Bartek comes up with is always intriguing and a little bit more special. So just to demo also some of his work of the past, while working for Snowdog, he helped actually develop their own custom theme based upon SAS and Gulp, while everyone else was just struggling with Gulp and less, based upon the normal Luma stack. And second, he has also been developing the Alpaca components and an Alpaca theme, and that's basically something that was always developed as part of Snowdog, so it's actually more something of Snowdog, but he was basically one of the lead developers behind all of this. And then on top of it, his work at Vue Storefront is definitely also interesting. So I basically believe that whatever Bartek is always cooking up is going to be intriguing for more than just a few developers. And theoretically, his Alpine DevTools is definitely going to be worth whatever it's going to be worth. Because also there's a sign up, and in that sign up, he's mentioning that maybe it's going to be for free, maybe it's going to be paid for. And if you're interested in paying for it anyway, then definitely it would be a support towards Bartek to come up with more things. So I've signed up. Hopefully this little video is going to make you enthusiastic as well. And let's basically stay tuned for whatever Bartek is promising us whenever that better DevTools actually comes out. I'm really looking forward to improving my workflow with Alpine, definitely.